Smartphones have been our constant companions for over a decade, running our daily schedules, connecting us to friends, and even helping us order dinner with a single tap. But tech evolves at lightning speed. Now, new contenders are emerging that could reshape personal computing or even replace the smartphone as our go-to gadget. Here's a look at the technologies poised to make waves over the next few years. Number 1. Augmented reality, AR glasses. Why they matter. Imagine getting turn-by-turn directions, incoming messages, and real-time language translations all projected in our field of view without looking down at a phone. That's the promise of AR glasses. Apple Vision Pro preview. Apple's highly anticipated foray into spatial computing, Vision Pro, is launching soon, though it's more of a high-end headset than simple AR glasses. Still, it's a sign that major tech players are investing heavily in head-worn devices as the next computing frontier. Next steps. In the next 2 to 5 years, expect leaner, lighter prototypes with improved battery life and integration with everyday apps. If they can nail style and affordability, these devices could take off much like the first smartphones did. Challenges to watch. Battery life. Social acceptance. Is it weird to wear these indoors? And privacy concerns. AR glasses that discreetly project content onto your eyes raise questions about filming or scanning the environment without others noticing. Number 2, mixed reality and headsets. Why they matter. Mixed reality headsets blend virtual elements with the physical world, letting you interact with 3D holograms or digital objects in real space. They can be more immersive than AR glasses, potentially replacing everything from computer monitors to TV screens. Current examples. Microsoft's HoloLens has carved out specialized roles in engineering and healthcare. Meta, formerly Facebook, invests heavily in VR headsets, though it's pivoting toward more AR/MR capabilities. Future outlook. Over the next few years, the hardware becomes sleeker. We might see devices that combine the convenience of AR with the immersive aspect of VR, giving us an entirely new way to compute, work, and play. Challenges to watch. Cost is high. Headsets can be bulky, and all-day wear isn't comfortable for everyone. However, incremental improvements in comfort and clarity could push these devices further into the mainstream. Number 3, advanced wearables, wrist, ring, and beyond. Why they matter. For many of us, the smartwatch already takes over tasks once handled by phones, like tracking steps, paying at stores, or delivering notifications. But there's more coming. Smart rings and wristbands. From fitness tracking to contactless payments, rings and wristbands could grow more powerful in the next few years. Some companies already offer devices that measure heart rate variability, skin temperatures, and more vital data that might help us manage stress or detect health issues early. Biometric security. New wearables will likely include advanced sensors that can read not just your pulse, but your unique biometric profile. This could mean easier, more secure authentication, potentially reducing the need for passwords or lock screens. Challenges to watch. battery limitations on very small devices, and ensuring data privacy. Medical level data collection is a hot topic for regulators. Number 4, voice first devices and virtual assistants. Why they matter. Voice assistants like Amazon's Alexa, Apple's Siri, and Google Assistant have become widespread. As AI gets more sophisticated, voice commands may become a primary interface. Home and office integration. Smart speakers, thermostats, and appliances that respond to voice commands have turned entire living spaces into interactive tech hubs. Over the next 2 to 5 years, improved natural language processing could make voice interfaces far more intuitive, reducing the need for a phone in hand. Wearable voice interfaces. Imagine a small clip-on or earbud that listens to your commands, transcribes your notes, and accesses all your apps seamlessly. If it's robust enough, you may rarely need to look at a screen. Challenges to watch. Privacy concerns, always on mics. Accuracy of voice recognition in loud environments, and user comfort with speaking commands in public. Number 5, neural interfaces, early stages. Why they matter. Brain-computer interface technology is one of the most futuristic frontiers. It promises a world in which you could control a device with your thoughts. Current progress. Companies like Neuralink have demonstrated prototypes that help people with severe paralysis control computer cursors or robotic limbs. While widespread adoption is still several years away, the tech is quickly evolving. Future potential. Initially, BCI devices might offer hands-free control for AR/VR experiences. Think typing a text or navigating menus mentally. In the 2 to 5 year range, we'll see more clinical and experimental trials, but mainstream use is likely further out. Challenges to watch. Invasiveness, surgical versus non-surgical, regulatory hurdles, ethics, and the fact that it's still very much in early R&D phases. So which device will win? The truth is, there may not be a single smartphone killer anytime soon. Instead, we'll likely see an ecosystem of devices, some worn on the head, others on the wrist, others perhaps embedded in clothing, that collectively reduces our dependence on traditional smartphones. AR glasses might handle visual tasks. A smart ring or watch could monitor health and handle payments, and AI assistants could manage calls, texts, or scheduling through simple voice interactions. This interconnected approach could become a new normal in the next few years, blending our digital and physical lives more seamlessly than ever before. Conclusion. The smartphone won't disappear overnight, but its role as our all-in-one device is starting to feel less certain. From sleeker AR glasses to biometric wearables, the next wave of personal tech could be more diverse, more immersive, and more integrated into our daily routines than we ever imagined. As these gadgets mature over the next 2 to 5 years, keep an eye on incremental breakthroughs in comfort, affordability, battery life, and user-friendliness. Stay safe, stay secure, and realize that any one of these innovations might just transform what we consider our must-have personal device. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and